Dear students, today's story about the class 12th biology topic self-pollination. Dear students, pollen grains are transferred from anther to stigma of the same flower, then it's called self-pollination or autogamy. Next, geitonogamy is the process of autogamy or self-pollination. Geitonogamy, one pollination takes place in between two flowers of the same plant, then it's called a geitonogamy. Geitonogamy is a type of self-pollination. Self-pollination is two types, autogamy and geitonogamy. Okay, autogamy same flower and geitonogamy same plants, two different flowers, same plants. Dear students, cross-pollination or genogamy or allogamy. When the pollination takes place in between two different flowers of the two different plants of the same species, then it's called genogamy. Camelina plant having both clistogamous and chasmogamous flower. Dear students, in cross pollination, two different flower of two different plants of the same species, like cross pollination, papaya plants, male and female, two different plants, two different flower of the same species, is known as cross pollination. Agents of pollination. Dear students, two types of agents for the responsible for the pollination: abiotic agents and biotic agents. Dear students, abiotic agents means non-living agents to promote the pollination process. Abiotic में wind and water. Dear student, wind, water is abiotic agents of pollination, and biotic agents, living agents, animals, human beings, animals is agents of biotic pollination. Agents of pollination, two types, biotic or abiotic. Abiotic means non-living, biotic means living agents. Abiotic में by wind and by water. By wind, anemophily. Anemophily, pollen grains transferred by wind is known as anemophily, and pollen grains transferred by water is known as hydrophily. Winds and water is a non-living agents, abiotic agents of pollination. Next, biotic agents, it is a living agents. Dear students, first by animal, pollination by animals is known as zoophily. Second point, pollination by insects is known as entomophily. Third, pollination by birds is known as ornithophily. Pollination by bat is known as chiropterophily, and pollination by ants is known as myrmecophily. Thank you.